Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Piping Technical Trainer. Kindly subscribe it. Today's topic is how to do computation T2 flange. Let's see. This question is asked by my student. Here, determine the length of the pipe L given the following dimension and material properties. Nominal size of the T equal to 4 inch. Wheel neck flange 150 size equal to 4 inch. Let's see. This is wheel neck flange. The size of wheel neck flange is 4 inch. Class is 150. Now length of the pipe, we have to calculate this length of the pipe from here to here. Here also gap that is 3 millimeter we will consider. Here also gap that is 3 millimeter we will consider. This is T. From center of T to center of T to from here flange, we have the length is given 4000 millimeter. Now let's check. Length of the pipe equal to 4000 millimeter minus take out of T. You know how to calculate the take out of T? We will calculate take out of T. We will see the table. I have uploaded the table minus take out of flange. Also we will see the table for wheel neck flange minus gap. We have gap here and we have gap here. So length of the pipe equal to 4000 minus 105. The take out of 4 inch, we'll see take out for T, we'll see in the table, that is 105 millimeter minus 76 take out of flange, that is also given in the table. I have uploaded in the last of the video. You will see 76 minus 2 into 3. 2 into, we have 2 gap, 1 gap here, 1 gap here, 2 gap, each gap is 3 millimeter, that's why it is multiplied by 2, equal to 4000 millimeter minus 105 millimeter minus 76 millimeter minus 6 millimeter. We will get this 3813 millimeter, the length of the pipe. This length from here to here. Next question asked by my student, how to do computation 90-degree elbow to flange. It's also very easy, you will understand it. So what the question is saying, determine the length of the pipe L given the following dimensions and material properties. Nominal size of 90-degree elbow is 5 inch. Wheel neck flange 150 RF raised face. This is RF is raised face, size equal to 5 inch. Now we have to calculate this length from here to here, length of the pipe. Now we will calculate take out of wheel neck flange. This is gap 3 millimeter we will consider. Also here one gap 3 millimeter we will consider, and take out of elbow. Elbow take out 38.1 for 90 degree, it is constant. Now the center of elbow 90 degree to the flange length is given 4200 millimeter, that is given. Now length of the pipe equal to 4200 millimeter minus take out of elbow minus take out of flange minus gap. So length of the pipe equal to 4200 millimeter minus 38.1. This is elbow, 38.1 is constant, into 5 inch. The nominal size of the elbow is 5, that's why we multiply by 5, minus 89 from the table. we'll see the takeout of flange from the table that is given in the last of the video. You will see for 89 for 5 inch, we'll see for 5 inch minus 2 into 3 millimeter. Each gap is 3 millimeter. We have two gaps, one gap is here, one gap is here, that's why it is multiplied by 2. Length of the pipe equal to 4200 millimeter minus 190.5 millimeter minus 89 millimeter minus 6 millimeter, will get 4200 millimeter minus 190.5 millimeter minus 89 millimeter minus 6 millimeter, will get the length of the pipe 3914.5 millimeter. The length of the pipe, this length. Here this is a chart for straight and reducing T. This is a chart for straight and reducing T. So you want to see the sizes. We have 4 inch, 6 inch, 8 inch, 10 inch. So we'll see 4 inch will get 124. 5 inch will get 124. So for 4 inch we'll get here 105, that is here 105. Like this you can see the sizes of straight and reducing T, take out, that is take out, you can see from the chart. Here this is a chart of take out whale neck flange, take out of whale neck flange. We have here 150 class RF raised face, here 300 class, 600 class, 900 class. So if we see 4 inch, we have here given for 4 inch given 76, for 5 inch 89, for 8 inch for 6 inch 89 also for 6 inch. Now for 8 inch 102, for 10 inch 102. This is given. We will see this RF because the question is asked about RF. The class here 300, we will see this. For 600 we will see this. For 900 we will see this. Thank you. If you have any question, kindly ask in the comment box. Thanks a lot.